not cooling. The contactor is not sucked in, so the unit's not turned on. But what I'm finding is even on these new units is I need a hard start kit so the unit will start. A lot of times what happens is the unit just sits here and hums, and then the compressor overheats because the unit's not able to charge on its own. So what I'm going to do is pull the disconnect over here, trace back the conduit to make sure I have the correct unit, and I do, and then we'll discharge the cap. Now, this particular cap only has one port left on the common side. So anyway, first thing, we got to discharge the capacitor. The capacitor holds the charge in it even after the power is disconnected, so I'm touching only the insulated portion of my screwdriver and bridging the leads here. And now, as I was saying, this side only has one port left on the capacitor, and my hard start kit actually has another nice little jumper on the side here that you can add another port if you need to, so I'm not really using my last port there. Okay, and here goes the other side, and this will help it start when the unit goes to start. I'll have to go inside and turn the unit on and just verify that everything's doing what it should, and it'd be nice if I can anchor this little doodad here.
On Goodman units, the common is purple and red, as you see here.
Kind of tight there.
And the Herm is yellow. The fan wire is brown, and different manufacturers use different wiring colors.
I'd rather get it down inside there, you know what I mean?
Hard start kits always go one side the common and one side the Herm. Unless it's a 3-wire hard start kit, which I'll show you on another video.
Nice and solid. Okay, now I can plug the disconnect back in. And we're good there. And I'll just verify. I can push start the contactor in to make sure it starts up. The fan motor spins the correct direction. And the compressor started up. And that's good. And now I'll go inside and make sure everything does what it's supposed to do, turn it on the proper way. Okay, here it is inside the unit, and it is cooling down here, so that's good. Unit was set to 58 degrees, I was able to lower it down. Had to lower it down in order for it to turn on. Go up and check it on the roof.
This suction line will also need to add some insulation to keep it from condensating and dripping. You can check my video on that, on adding insulation to improve efficiency.
It's feeling nice and cold here.
It would also be a good idea to tape up that bit on the service door there.
Okay, got my unit running. And it's nice and chilly, cooling like it should. So far, so good. Alright, I'm going to check it inside for my 15-20 degree split. We're off that here. Put the cover back on. Check and make sure we get our 15 and 20 degree split inside. Okay, here we go. Let's go see how we fare. It's nice and cold here though. Good. Removing heat from the unit. Okay. Got 73. 53. Yeah, we're good. We got our 20 degree split for sure. Feels nice and chilly. Even better than 20 degrees split here. For sure. We're good.